I'm trying to clean out underneath here and put everything back. I am not bending down there because I'm afraid I might not be able to get back up. So I'm using this Clorox wipes with this reacher to try to clean underneath here. Excuse me. I had the faucet change out in the sink as well as the shower because the handle broke. Eventually I'm going to have that shower area redone. Possibly a walk-in shower, and then again it'll have to be a tub shower combo. But I want a tub with tiled walls. It's only one bathroom in this house, therefore when you have a house with one bathroom it has to be both a combo, not a walk-in shower. Then I thought to think to myself, I'm a senior, I'm not going anywhere. I wasn't planning on selling this house, and I can always just go ahead and just put a shower, a walk-in shower with a bench. Trying to put everything back. This pull-out thing I had underneath here, I forgot how to use it, or how to put it back. Finally, I just got frustrated and went in the living room, took a break, and remembered how to do it. Finally remembered how to do it. You have to slide the bottom of the trays onto the track. See that tracks underneath, and then you just put them in those slots. A while ago I purchased this paint to use on my accent wall in my bedroom. But for some reason I didn't like the way it turned out. I was a little disappointed because I wanted more of an oatmeal color, beige. It gave me more of a yellowish color. However, I've decided that I want to go ahead and paint my bathroom. I'm not letting this go to waste. I'm usually white walls, black, white and black. But I've used a lot of color back in the day. And I'm not going to get outrageous, but I'm definitely going to use this paint. I don't want it to go to waste. So I've started just testing it out on this wall just to see how it looks. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's just paint. If I don't like it, well, I could always do it over, but I think it will work well with the tile and the countertop as well. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead this week. I'm going to take my time because I think I will focus on this wall first. Get all this done. These doors are going to get changed out eventually. Just finish this side of the wall today because I have to take all that stuff down up there and cut along the seams without getting it all over everything. I'm not worried about touching. I just don't want to touch the ceiling because I'm not painting the ceiling. I don't know what color this is. Some kind of grayish color. Anyway, yeah, I'm just going to, and of course, since I had the new windows put in, they're a beige color. So what I will do is paint along here, paint around here, not inside, but you know, on the outer area, leave that interior white. And like I said, eventually I want to change out this shower situation as well. So yeah, that's my plan. Alright, I decided I'm going to go ahead and paint this bathroom. I started to go and get another color paint because for some reason this paint is not giving me the oatmeal beige color that I thought. And close to the floor, like off-white or this. I'm taking it apart. Here's the sample on the wall. I'm removing some of the things off the wall. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and paint here all the way around and over to this side, down behind the toilet. At least that's where I'm starting out. Put everything back and continue on. Now, I've painted a lot of rooms in my time, but this is a smaller space, but it ain't gonna be that easy for me at this point in my life. So I'm gonna take my time. I'm not gonna overdo myself. I'm not going to paint on the inset of the window. I'm just gonna do the outside. But before I get started, I have to be absolutely sure. Now I need to get dressed, go around to Home Depot and get a sample. But here's the thing, I don't want to run back and forth. That's how I made this mistake the last time. I should have got samples, which is normally what I do. And it's a costly mistake. But I decided, you know what, to heck with it. And then my husband was saying sometimes it has something to do with the lighting too. So these are some dimmer bulbs. If I put brighter lights in, I don't know. I still have to get the globe shades for this fixture. But since I have this whole gallon of paint, and it's only paint, I'm going to go ahead and use it. You know, as I look at this color, and I was trying to match it to one of the colors in the countertop, it's just not giving me that beige. And maybe I'm just colorblind and can't see it. Maybe it looks fine to you. But yeah, it just doesn't look beige oatmeal to me. It looks almost like a peach color. I had to roll over this, of course. I was just using a paintbrush just to see what it would look like. You can see the gray in the hallway. That was the original color. But yeah, see, I want to pick out a color similar to what's in there, you know, inside a countertop, like that beige, but it's not giving me that. Okay, I'm showing you with the light off. Now, I have to be honest, I'm really not feeling this. But I don't want to spend any more money on paint when I have this entire can. It just, I don't know, it just looks peachish to me, like a peach color. How is that possible? It looks peach here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Because on the, it's a light background, but when you look at it here, it looks beige. See what I mean? That's the color I want. But why does it look the other way on the wall to me? It's crazy. Let's go on back up in here. My problem is I'm too lazy to go back around the corner and buy another gallon of paint. And maybe I should just stop here and not go any further and live with it overnight and see if I can, you know, deal with it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to get up in the morning and go to Home Depot and break down and buy another can of paint before I, you know, go too far with this. Because here's the floor. Here is the, I kind of want more this color, like an oatmeal color, a light beige. But as you can see, it's just not giving me the look that I want. Now I have the lights off in here and it's still giving me that peach color. I had to do a voiceover because the air conditioner is making so much noise above me. However, as you can see, I don't know, it has to be me because as I showed you in the other room, it is the right color, but in here it's not. There's that phone cord again. But you know what? I'm not going to do this over again. I'm just going to live with it. It's only paint. And like he said, it's probably just the lighting. I was so tired that I couldn't even finish this little area right here. I had to save it for the next day. Of course, I had to take everything off the shelf. Yeah, but most of it is done. I just got to get that one little spot done. So I'm going to go ahead and just knock that on out today and be done with it. As you can see, I'm pulling everything down and then I'm going to get up here. I got to put the mask on because it's dusty up here. Now, it's been quite a while since I've dusted up there, taken everything down. But another thing, when he worked on replacing the shower handle the other day, he had to cut into that acrylic. And that made a dusty mess. So it was best that I went ahead and just do a complete cleaning of this bathroom as well as go ahead and paint the walls. You know, that was my chance to just go on and get it all done. See, I painted this entire bathroom except for this area right here. Except for this area. I was too tired. And there was a time where I could do this whole thing, room much bigger than this in one day. This color, I swear, is giving me peach. Alright. Look up there. You see? Oh, come on now. Tap, tap. It's the same color. But up there it looks beige like it's supposed to. The rest of it looks peach. Now I didn't miss all that. I'll go over it again. But it's so ironic that I painted all that. Painted in the corners. But on camera it looks like it hasn't been painted. But over here you can see the colors. Colors here. This little bathroom wore me out. I'm on day 2. I was to the point where I got this far and this is where I stopped. Just right there. Look at that. It's almost almost done. Just had to go a little bit further, but I just didn't have anything left in me. Look at that. Looks like 2 different colors. But yet that's been painted. And over here looks like a different color. Go figure. Now see, when I turn the light off, you can see that it's been painted. But with the light on, it looks white, almost. But yeah, this is the amount I have left to do.